In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly present your slide deck using Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to effectively navigate through your presentation while ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel more confident and in control as the presenter. So, let's dive in. First things first, to get started, open up your slide deck in Google Slides. It's time to harness the power of your hard work and present it to your audience. Once your slides are open and you're ready to go, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Present button. This is your gateway to transforming your well-designed slides into a seamless presentation. Here's where you can personalize your presentation experience a bit further. Next to that Present button, you'll notice a small down arrow. Clicking on it reveals a set of additional options. These options serve as valuable tools for tailoring the presentation to your specific needs. For instance, if you wish to start from the beginning with the first slide, simply select Present from Beginning. This option is perfect for those who like a structured, start-to-finish approach. Moreover, if you prefer having a bit of extra information at hand while presenting, say, speaker notes or a timer, then Presenter View will be your go-to choice. This view allows you to see helpful prompts on your screen while your audience remains focused on the slides themselves. It's an excellent way to stay organized and on track without breaking the flow of your presentation. You might also notice some other display options, like full screen. Depending on your equipment setup, these options help you optimize how your presentation appears and help you manage your display configuration more effectively. Take a moment to adjust these settings according to your environment and preferences. Once you've entered presentation mode, navigating through your slides is straightforward. You can use your keyboard's arrow keys, the right arrow key to move forward and the left arrow key to go back. Alternatively, on-screen arrows or navigation controls work equally well. This flexibility ensures that you can move smoothly through your content at a pace comfortable for both you and your audience. When it's time to wrap up, or if you need to exit the presentation mode for any reason, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. It's a quick and hassle-free way to transition back to the editing view of your slides. And there you have it. With these easy steps and tips in mind, you're now equipped to deliver a polished presentation using Google Slides. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to familiarize yourself with these controls before your next big presentation. Good luck and happy presenting.